How to download and install Viber on your PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step process on how to easily download and install Viber on your PC. But before we get started, do not forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into it. First thing first, you are going to have to open up your web browser. I am using Google Chrome right now. If you are on Mac OS, you could use Safari or any other browser that you have and simply search for Viber, or you can just search for Viber download. And once you have done that, if you want to use it on browser, you can just click on this login option. But if you want to download it, just open up the Viber.com website, and here you have an option to download Viber. So just click on it. And from here, you can click on download for Windows, or if you're using Mac, you'll have an option to download for Mac. Here are all of the available options for Mac. Now I'm just going to click right here and it will start downloading this exe file. And once that is done, you can just click on it to open it up. And now it will start installing Viber on your device. So as you can see here, you can just click on install. I already have Viber on my device, so I'm not going to install it. Then after the installation process is complete, you can just enter your phone number, or if you have Viber in your phone, you can just scan the QR code to log into your account. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.